Veterinary physiology. Which of the following type of cell constitutes 2 to 8% of total leukocytes? Eosinophil consists 2 to 8% of total leukocytes. Segmented nucleus with 3 to 5 lobes is present in neutrophils. The most numerous leukocytes in ruminants is lymphocytes. The largest cell of the leukocyte is monocyte. Cytoplasmic chunks of megakaryocytes are monocytes. Cytoplasmic chunks of megakaryocytes are platelets. Platelets are the cytoplasmic chunks of megakaryocytes. Blood is a system. The blood is not a system, blood is a tissue. Blood is a tissue. Major natural progestin is progesterone. Progesterone is a major natural progestin. The following substances are considered to be referred as eicosanoids. All of above as prostaglandins, leukotrienes, thromboxanes, they are referred as eicosanoids. Which of the following glucocorticoids is a short to medium acting drug? Prednisolone is a glucocorticoid and is short to medium acting drug. Biotransformation of medicinal substances results in faster urinary excretion. Conjugation is coupling of drug with an endogenous substrate. Which of the following processes proceeds in the second phase of biotransformation? Acetylation is the process that proceeds in the second phase of biotransformation, or acetylation is in the second phase of biotransformation. Conjugation of a drug includes all of the following except hydrolysis. Conjugation of drug includes glucocoordination, it includes sulfate formation. Conjugation of drug includes methylation. Conjugation of drug includes acetylation, but the conjugation of drug do not include hydrolysis. In summary, conjugation of drug considers or has the glucuronation, sulfate formation, methylation, acetylation, but not hydrolysis. Which of the following drug type is the most prominent for microsomal oxidation? Lipid soluble drug type is the most prominent for microsomal oxidation. Biotransformation of a drug is to render them not known. Biological barriers include all except renal tubules. Renal tubules are not the biological barriers, but whereas the biological barrier comprises of cell membrane, capillary walls, placenta, and brain. Renal tubules are not the biological barriers. Which area of the brain is most directly involved in the reflex control of autonomic system? Medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the part of the brain that is mostly directly involved in the reflex control of autonomic nervous system, or medulla oblongata controls the reflex. Which of the following is true about the precentral gyrus? Precentral gyrus, both A and C are true, as precentral gyrus is involved in motor control and precentral gyrus is located in frontal lobe, or the precentral gyrus is located in frontal lobe and it controls it is the motor control. In a skin knee jerk reflex, how many synapses are activated? In a single knee jerk reflex, how many synapses are activated within the spinal cord? Only one. Only one synapse is activated within the spinal cord in a single knee jerk reflex. Which of the following muscles have motor units with highest innervation ratio? Muscles that move the fingers. Muscles that moves the fingers has the motor units with highest innervation ratio. In most animals, the right hemisphere of cerebrum controls the movement of the left side of the body. All of the following are local hormones except renin. Renin is not a local hormone, whereas the local hormones comprises of acetylcholine, secretin, and cyto and cholecystokinin. Cholecystokinin, secretin, and acetylcholine are the local hormones, whereas renin is not a local hormone. Cutaneous receptive fields are smallest in the digits. The digits has the smallest cutaneous receptive fields. Epithelial cells release transmitter chemicals that excite sensory neurons in all of the following except smell. In smell, the epithelial cells release transmitter chemicals that excite sensory neurons. Which of the following hormones is produced by a hypothalamic gland? Growth hormone, releasing hormone, GHRH. Growth hormone releasing hormone is the hormone that is produced by hypothalamic gland or hypothalamus, or hypothalamic gland secretes growth hormone releasing hormone. I think it is GnRH. Which of the following hormones is produced by the anterior lobe of the pituitary? Growth hormone, somatotropin or GH is released from the anterior lobe of the pituitary. The posterior pituitary does not secrete growth hormone. Which of the following organs and the posterior pituitary is involved in the secretion of vasopressin, oxytocin? Oxytocin and vasopressin both are secreted from the posterior pituitary, whereas growth hormone is not secreted from the posterior pituitary. Which of the following organs is a target for prolactin? The organ that is target for prolactin is the mammary gland. Which of the following organ hormones is a target for growth hormone or somatotropin? The target of somatotropin is the IGF, insulin-like growth factors. Insulin-like growth factors is the target of gonad or somatotropin, that is growth hormone. All of the following statements about growth hormone are true except hypersecretion can result in acromegaly. It is not true that hypersecretion can result in acromegaly, whereas the following statement about growth hormones are true, that are it may stimulate growth hormone may stimulate the synthesis or release of somatomedins. Low level of insulin like growth factors are associated with dwarfism. Growth hormone Low levels of insulin like growth factors are associated with dwarfism. Hypersecretion of growth hormone can result in acromegaly. It is false. Hypersecretion of growth hormone can never result acromegaly. And it is true that growth hormone is contraindicated in subjects with close epiphysis. The phenomenon of osmosis is opposite to that of diffusion. The surface tension in intestinal lumen between fat droplets and aqueous medium is decreased by bile salts. The surface tension in intestinal lumen between fat droplets and aqueous medium is decreased by bile salts. Which of the following is located on mitochondria? Mitochondria has all of above as cytochrome oxidase, succinate dehydrogenase, and dihydrogenase. lipoyl dehydrogenase. They all are present in mitochondria. Cytochrome oxidase, succinate dehydrogenase, and dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase. The most active site of protein synthesis is the ribosomes. The fatty acid can be transported into and out of the mitochondria through facilitated transfer. Mitochondrial DNA is circular double stranded.